You ready to harvest some tomatoes?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Hmm?
Yeah, there's a
Yeah.
right there already.
Oh.
Oh, it's okay. Drop. There's one here too. It's quite far. Maliliit. There's one here, see? Yan. Yeah, we put this straight.
Hey, what about me?
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Yan, harvest nila. Cucumber, tomato, and cabbage. Hey, what else? Where else? There.
Because.
Yeah, you can grab it there. I think there's more underneath, hey?
Oh.
There, go, go, go. Good job. Okay. There's one here too. See? It's right here. There. Want to reach that? Good job. I think that's it, eh?
Some more.
Oh, there's more here. Underneath. It's hiding. How about here? Yeah, see? This one. There's one there. Okay, and then we go grab some beans.
Beans.
Yeah, it's here.
Come on.
Yan yung ano, oh, lumaki. Lumaki yung squash. Oh boy, that's a big one, baby.
Yes, mommy.
Okay.
Yeah,
There's beans here. See? I think some of them are flowering, so I'll just leave it alone. Ayan, malaki, oh.
Some other beans.
Yeah, see? There's like super healthy beans here. Pa isa-isa.
One.
Yeah, look at your harvest. Yawan ko bakit.
Look.
May bulok yung iba. Ayan. Okay. Oh, there's more here.
One, two, three.
Come on, with video.
Come on. Yeah.
Ito, oh.
How about these?
There's a cucumber here, Eliezer, but it's still, yeah, it's still, small. Not big enough. Wala na. Kukunti na itong beans. Ayan. Harvestin mo na rin yan, anak. Here.
Oops.
Oopsie daisy. Meron pa dito, guys. Dami pa palang nakatago na malulusog, oh. Oh. Ay, maliit dyan. Nagpa-flower na ulit. Sakaling mainit pa.
Do it myself.
You do it. You go on that side, baby. See, Kuya is grabbing some. There, may sili pa dyan. Oh. Medyo malaki yung ano dito. Parang gusto dito banda yung beans.
Do it myself.
Kaya maliit pa yan, anak. Cucumber.
Beans.
Beans. Beans.
Some more.
Okay, here.
Yeah. Whoa.
Hey.
Yan. First harvest nito. Kaya medyo marami. Meron pa sa kabila, anak. Yung iba, naging magulang na. Mosquitoes are everywhere too, eh. Maraming nakatago dito, eh. Yan, meron pa. Oh. Pang sinigang na yan, anak. See? Mix sama. Oh, not yet, anak. It's just still. Ayan, medyo malaki ito. There's more there, Eliezer. See? That side. Yeah, that beans underneath. Kaso parang naano na sila, oh. Tingnan nyo yung bunga. Yan. Napiste na. Malusog itong beans dito banda.
Wait. There's beans right there.
Yeah. Where? See? Yeah, is oh, this one, eh? Ayan. See here. Okay. There. Yan yung ulam natin ngayon. But there's more here, eh?
Yummy beans. Yummy
Yummy beans. And it's...
beans.
Ayan.
Beans.
What will you say, guys?
Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yan yung harvest nila.